Are you ready to leap into the future of shopping and payments? The potential for mass adoption of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is here, and it's time to get on board. Discover how crypto can revolutionize the way we shop and pay online, and how you can benefit from it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of the digital currency revolution. Click the link now to watch our video. Over the past few years, the term cryptocurrency has firmly lodged itself into the public consciousness. Known by many but understood by few, the technical aspects of these new digital currencies remain impenetrable for much of the public. Nonetheless, there is a growing sense that they will dramatically alter how we understand and interact with money. Whilst e-commerce has been a significant feature of the digital world for many years, the pandemic has accelerated the growth of the global e-commerce market immensely, from $3.354 trillion in 2019 to $4.981 trillion in 2021. With people stuck inside for extended periods of lockdown, online business boomed, and it looks like this trend will only continue. Crypto and e-commerce in 2023. The future of crypto and e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is looking very promising. With the growing adoption of digital currencies, more and more businesses are starting to accept crypto as a form of payment. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years as more and more consumers become comfortable with using crypto for everyday transactions. In 2023, we can expect to see an increase in the number of merchants accepting crypto as a form of payment. This will be driven by the growing demand from consumers, as well as the benefits that crypto can provide for merchants, such as faster and cheaper transactions and reduced fraud. Additionally, we can expect to see an increase in the number of payment gateways and processors that support crypto payments, making it even easier for merchants to accept crypto. Another area where crypto is expected to have a big impact in 2023 is e-commerce. With the rise of decentralized marketplaces, consumers will be able to buy and sell goods and services directly with crypto, without the need for intermediaries such as banks or payment processors. This will allow for faster and cheaper transactions, as well as increased privacy and security. The integration of stablecoins into e-commerce and online payments will also play a big role in the future of crypto. As stablecoins are pegged to a stable asset, they offer a stable and predictable form of digital currency, making them ideal for e-commerce transactions where the price of goods and services needs to be consistent. In summary, the future of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is looking bright. With more merchants and consumers adopting digital currencies and new technologies such as decentralized marketplaces and stablecoins, crypto has the potential to revolutionize the way we buy and sell goods and services online. Potential for adopting crypto. The potential for mass adoption of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is significant. In 2023, we can expect to see a wider range of merchants and online platforms accepting crypto as a form of payment. This will make it easier for people to buy goods and services using their crypto assets without having to convert them to fiat currency first. Additionally, the use of crypto in e-commerce and online payments can provide a more efficient and cost-effective way of conducting transactions, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks and payment processors. One of the biggest potential benefits of crypto in e-commerce and online payments is the ability to reach a global audience. Because crypto is not bound by the same regulations and restrictions as traditional fiat currencies, it can make it easier for merchants to sell their products and services to customers in other countries. This could open up new opportunities for businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, which are often excluded from global markets due to the high costs of cross-border transactions. Another potential benefit of crypto in e-commerce and online payments is the ability to provide more secure and transparent transactions. Because transactions on the blockchain are recorded and verified, it can reduce the risk of fraud and chargebacks. Additionally, the use of smart contracts can automate the process of escrow and payments, making the process faster and more efficient. In short, the potential for mass adoption of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is high. As more merchants and online platforms start accepting crypto, it will make it easier for people to use their crypto assets in their daily lives. This could have a huge impact on the global economy, particularly in developing countries where access to traditional banking services is limited. Advantages of cryptocurrencies in e-commerce. Advantages of cryptocurrencies in online retail. There's no doubt that the blockchain technology underpinning virtual currencies offers a host of advantages. E-commerce providers who've already integrated digital currencies as a payment method in their business model are benefiting from the following positive effects. Records and fees. The process of recording payments that are received in cryptocurrency is faster for retailers. One reason for this is more streamlined transfer processes thanks to what's referred to as smart contracts, digital contracts between buyers and sellers that are stored on the blockchain. This means that automated transactions are handled immediately, so an intermediate step to trigger payments is no longer required, eliminating the related costs. Security. Blockchain technology also ensures that all transactions can be tracked and are fully traceable. Copies of the relevant data are stored in real time on several computers, creating a secure record that ensures the data cannot be manipulated. International payments. Cryptocurrency simplifies processes involved in international payments, meaning higher sales and more customers for online retailers who sell abroad. New customer segments. The acceptance of digital payment methods also opens up completely new target groups, enabling online retailers to acquire new customers. The Gemini study indicated that interest in cybercurrencies for online purchases is particularly high among the 18 to 35 age group. Another benefit is that younger customers who pay with digital money tend to order more than customers using other payment methods. In conclusion, the potential for mass adoption of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023 is huge. With the growing popularity of digital currencies, more and more people are looking for ways to use them in their daily lives. E-commerce and online payments are two areas where crypto has the potential to make a big impact by providing a more efficient, cost-effective, and secure way of conducting transactions. The ability to reach a global audience and provide more secure and transparent transactions is a game changer for businesses. This is the future of online payments. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn more about it. Click the link now to watch our video and discover how you can benefit from the mass adoption of crypto in e-commerce and online payments in 2023.